welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you some stuff that I bought from the Dollar Tree and also pot up a plant. I had an idea for this a while back ago when I first bought it. I want to make the plant look like a tree. That's my goal. I don't know if it's gonna come out the way I envision it, so we'll just try and see what happens. It'll go in this pot, but first let me show you some of the things that I got from Dollar Tree. Like I said, you could find some really inexpensive stuff at Dollar Tree, good for your garden or fun stuff. So I'll start with I found some really cute fairy garden stuff. I really like gnomes, they're so cute. This one's pretty funny. He's like in a pot and he's holding something. He's got a little bird on top of him, and then I don't know, maybe that's like a binocular or something that he looks at birds with. And then this one's just got a little shovel and then a little sign there, so that's cute. I like doing fairy gardens for my daughters. They really enjoy it. They had these cute little table and chair, so cute, made of a leaf, kind of like that. That's super cute. They had a bunch of stuff. I didn't grab everything because I kind of didn't have an idea in which direction I wanted to head. I always love mushroom ones, mushroom houses. This one was so cute and detailed. For $1, that's pretty nice. So I really like this one. Let's see what else. Oh, these chairs were also so cute. The butterflies. My daughters, they play with LPS. I don't know if you guys know what that is. They're a little, it's pet shop. They're little pets. So when I saw that they can, I knew that her toy can fit on here. So I let them play with some of my arrangements as long as they know not to break the plants. And here goes another one. So I got 2 of those, super cute. Then they had this cute little slide. Isn't it cute? Everything's gonna be cute in this video. And then this cute, oh, is it broken? No, it's not broken. That's just how it is. A little seesaw. But it doesn't really move. It just sits there, obviously. This is made out of, like, plastic, I think. Some type of plastic, thick plastic. Let's see what else. Oh, this was really good. These little plant labels. These are really nice find here. I got 2 of those. And I think that's it. And that was it. Okay, so that's what I got. So here is the plant. You guys saw me buy this a while back ago. This is the crown of thorns. And I got it for $7. When I saw it, I had an idea of making it look like a bonsai. I don't know if I'll have to trim any of it to make it look like what I'm trying, you know, what I'm thinking of. So we'll see. This was very unplanned today. I just saw, I bought the things and then I'm like, oh yeah, let me try to make what I wanted to make. Put the mesh in there, and first let me try to remove this thing without hurting myself because it does have thorns in it. But I don't feel like they're like super. I wonder why did they put this stuff on there? See all that stuff? Obviously the plant has been doing well in here, so it can't hurt it. I'll have to see. I don't even know if this would fit in there. It doesn't matter. I can trim the roots. Ouch. This will be like an experiment for me. I don't know if she's gonna do well in this pot. So if you buy one of these and you're worried and you want your plant to last, and I don't recommend you do that right now, because this is going to be experiment. I won't be able to tell you until down the road whether it worked or not, whether it's doing well in the pot that I'm putting her and stuff. And I'm going to trim. This is what I'm doing. I'm going to trim some of the roots, and that'll slow down the growth. I'm just trying to see how this is going to look. I'll put some of the original soil in there, a little bit of it, and then mix my own. I don't want to get that one dirty, so I need to be careful. Okay, that's better. Okay. Okay, I need to pack some soil on the side here, because the plant does not reach in that little pocket, so I'm just going to make sure there's soil in there. And pack it like this to the side. Okay. Too much. Okay. Kind of like a bonsai, that's what I'm trying to go for, but like a tree for a gnome, you know, a tree for a little gnome, and he's just hanging out under this beautiful tree with beautiful big red flowers. I hope that makes sense to you guys, what I'm doing. I believe this plant of thorns obviously is stronger than your typical succulent. I see these on the, what do you call that? The medians, I think it's called. When I'm going to the mall, whatever, and they grew like crazy, and they were handling all kinds of weather, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so they look super cute. I think it's gonna look super cute. And I'm gonna use it here as grass. This moss, if you want it to stay green, you have to mist it. Very little bit, just mist it, and it should stay right on top. It should be fine. And I think it won't hurt this type of plant. I wouldn't do this with like regular succulents, because that'll be too risky. Let me know if you guys can see. I'll show you guys from an angle when I'm done what I'm doing. Hey guys, so there it is. This is the final product. I really love this bowl that I had found at a I can't remember if it was a yard sale or Goodwill, but normally you can find things like this at Goodwills, but in thrift stores. But I'm really happy the way it turned out. When I saw this bowl, I kind of knew that that's the kind of style of planting that I wanted to go for, something that would look like a bonsai, because it does remind me the type of bowl that people use for bonsais. So let me give you just a close-up look. Look at how pretty it looks. With the, I feel like the moss, because it makes it look like grass, gives it that final touch. It is so cute. And he's under this beautiful tree, just relaxing with beautiful red flowers. How pretty is that? I like, you know, the idea. These rocks, they were from Dominican Republic, the river when I went to, these big ones right here. I brought them from there. That little piece of wood is from the Dollar Tree. Remember I found that bag of pieces of wood? Look at how cute it looks. So thank you guys so much for watching.